Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make blueberry muffins. The very muffins that are perfect with your morning coffee. Let's start with the batter. You will need a stand mixer, but if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer, but it will take a little longer. Ingredients: we will need wheat flour 220 grams, cream butter 110 grams, 1 chicken egg and 2 yolks, sour cream 120 grams, granulated sugar 150 grams, salt a pinch, blueberries 125 grams, baking powder 1 teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. For the cream for the muffins, 2 egg whites, powdered sugar 3 to 5 tablespoons, pinch of salt. We will need 1 egg and 2 yolks. From the 2 remaining whites, we will later make a protein cream. It is better to put them in the refrigerator as they will be needed cold. Beat the eggs. Egg and 2 yolks with sugar 150 grams, add a pinch of salt and vanilla essence or vanilla sugar and beat at high speed. Here is such a mixture. The mass became airy and white and increased in volume. Add 120 grams of sour cream and stir again. Stir again to combine all the ingredients. Now add a thin stream of 110 grams of melted butter and mix again on low speed. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the flour and sift the flour into our mixture. Now our dough is ready. This is the consistency it should have. Now the most magical moment: adding fresh blueberries. Their aroma is unique and the taste after baking is simply mesmerizing. Now we do not have a season of blueberries, so I took frozen, pre-thawed, but you can take in fresh. Spoon into the molds. I took paper molds, but you can use parchment paper. Bake our muffins in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden on top. I took 28 minutes, depending on your oven. As always, check for doneness with a wooden skewer. While the muffins are baking, make a simple protein cream. Put the remaining 2 cold proteins in a bowl, add a pinch of salt and whisk for 3 to 4 minutes. This should produce an airy, high foam. Continuing to whisk, add powdered sugar 3 tablespoons tip for stability, or if you like sweet cream you can add 4 or 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. From this the flavor of the cream will not spoil and will be more stable. When everything is poured in, whisk for a few more minutes. You will get a white, delicate mess, but with more density, which should keep its shape and not spread. Transfer the protein cream in a bag with a nozzle and with circular movements decorate our muffins. I had eggs were not large, so the cream was enough for 11 muffins. And on top decorate with berries and mint leaves. I think it looks appetizing. I want to show that if you do not want to cook the cream, you can just sprinkle powdered sugar on top. This is what it looks like on the inside, very delicate. My children do not like baked goods with berries, but they like this one. And here are our magical blueberry muffins. Serve them warm with a cup of flavored coffee or tea, and your magical morning will be unforgettable. Thank you for joining me on this exciting culinary journey. Make some blueberry muffins today and give yourself and your loved ones a real piece of happiness. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos with new recipes. Leave a like under this video if it inspired you, and share it with your friends so they can enjoy this delicious recipe too. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video. Enjoy!